Exposing the secret weapon in productivity, Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5. It's time to upgrade your workflow with this game-changing device. Why settle for just a laptop when you can have a laptop and a tablet in one? The Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 boasts a sleek 360-degree hinge, allowing you to switch from typing to drawing with a simple flip. Powering this beast is the 12th Gen Intel Core Wi-Fi processor, giving you lightning-fast performance with 10 cores and 12 threads. And with 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, you can multitask and store all your essentials without breaking a sweat. Let's talk display. This 14-inch WUXGA touchscreen isn't just gorgeous, it's functional too. Whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or just browsing, the 300 nit brightness and IPS technology make everything look stunningly vivid. Worried about security? Don't be. The Flex 5 comes with a fingerprint reader and a privacy shutter for the FHD camera, so your data stays yours. Battery life? How does 7 hours sound? Plus, with quick charge, you get 2 hours of runtime with just a 15-minute charge. Connectivity? We've got you covered with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, and ports galore, including USB-C with Thunderbolt 4. And it's not just about work. The backlit keyboard, Dolby audio speakers, and pre-installed MS Office and Xbox GamePass make the Flex 5 a full entertainment package. So whether you're a student, a professional, or a creative, the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 is your all-in-one solution. Ready to unlock your potential? Flex your freedom with Lenovo.